Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Today is the 27th lesson of A1 level of German language course, and today we are going to talk about negation in German language. How we can negate something in German language. There are two different ways to negate something in German language, and whenever we use negation for a noun in German language, then we will use kein. Kein is a negative article. The second way of negation is with the use of word nicht, and this we will cover in the next lesson. Today we will talk about the negative article kein, and this we will use whenever we want to negate some noun. And we know that noun in German language has a gender. It can be masculine, it can be feminine, it can be neuter, and it can be plural. And we also know that the article in German language depends on the gender of noun and also the case in which the noun is being used. The same rule will apply on the negative article kein. So I have listed for nominative case and accusative case, for masculine, feminine, neuter and plural nouns. And one more thing is that sometimes we negate the noun directly and sometimes we use some adjective also, that I don't need a new car, I don't need a modern car, I don't need an old car, for example. And we will see how we can use the word kein in both cases, with adjective and without adjective. So let's start with adjective. I have taken the adjective net, which means nice. And if we want to negate some masculine noun like man in nominative case, then we will use kein, netter, man. This is with adjective, that the kein will remain kein, but the adjective ending will be with er in German language. So we have to add an er at the end of adjective for a masculine noun in nominative case. For feminine noun, we have to add an a at the end of negative article kein, so it will become keine. And we have to add an a at the end of adjective, which is net, so it will become keine nette Frau. Next is for a neuter noun in nominative case, kein will remain kein, but for the adjective, we have to add as at the end of the adjective. Next is plural. In case of plural, we have to add an a at the end of negative article kein, and we have to add an at the end of the adjective for a plural noun in nominative case. Next, we look at the accusative case. If we want to negate a masculine noun in accusative case with adjective, we have to use the negative article kein, and we have to add an an at the end. And if we use adjective also, then we have to add an an at the end of adjective. So keinen, netten, man. If we want to negate a feminine noun in accusative case, then we have to use negative article kein, and we have to add an a at the end of it. And at the end of adjective, if we want to use it or if we have to use it, we have to add an a at the end of adjective. For neuter noun, kein will remain kein, and we have to add as at the end of adjective. Similarly, if we want to negate the plural noun in accusative case, we have to add an a at the end of negative article kein, and we have to add an at the end of the adjective if we are going to use an adjective also. So I have listed here some examples without adjective and some examples with adjective. So we will see that how we can use the word negative article kein with or without adjectives. So first I take this example, ich brauche kein Auto. So you see that auto is a neuter noun, and auto in this sentence is used in the accusative case. And we see that here is the accusative case for neuter noun, and here, since we are not using any adjective here, we are simply negating that I do not need car. So kein Kind, kein Auto. So if I want to say I don't need a new car, now we are associating one adjective, which is new, with the noun, which is neuter. So how we can do it in the German language? Ich brauche kein neues Auto. Since auto in this sentence is in the accusative case and it is a neuter noun, so we will refer to this section of the table, and it says that kein will remain kein, and whatever adjective we use we have to add an as at the end of the adjective. So kein remains kein, and we have added an as at the end of the adjective, which is noe, which will become noes. Next is ich lese kein Buch. I don't read book. Here it is without any adjective. So we are simply negating the noun, which is Buch, which is again a neuter noun. Ich lese kein altes Buch. Here we are negating the book with an adjective, kein altes Buch. Since book is again a neuter noun, therefore we will again follow the same rule. We will refer to this section of the table, and it says that kein will remain kein, and we have to add an as at the end of the adjective, which we have done. Now next is the example of feminine nouns. Ich habe keine Schuhe. I don't have shoes. Schuhe in German language is a feminine noun, and since Schuhe in this sentence is in the accusative case, we will see that how should be the negative article ending, and it is with an a at the end of kein, so we have added an a here. Now let's see that how it will become if we add an adjective with it. Ich habe keine schwarze Schuhe. I don't have black shoes. Now black is a color which is used as an adjective for the shoes, which is a feminine noun. And since this section of the sentence is in the accusative case, since therefore we will see that which section of table we have to refer. That this is this one, and this says that we have to add an a at the end of negative article and also at the end of the adjective, which we have done here. Next is another example of feminine noun. Wir haben keine Wohnung. We don't have an apartment. Now this is again a feminine noun and in accusative case, so we have added an a at the end of the negative article kein. Now we see with an adjective. Wir haben keine neue Wohnung. Neue is an adjective in this sentence in accusative case for a feminine noun, so we refer to this section of table, and it says that we have to add an a at the end of negative article and also at the end of the adjective. Sie hat keinen Mantel. She has no coat. Mantel is a masculine noun, therefore the negative article kein will be having an a at the end, which is here. And if we want to add one adjective for this masculine noun, then we will see sie hat keinen roten Mantel. She has no red coat. Now rot is a color which means red, but if it is used as adjective, then we have to add an an at the end of the color rot. Next is sucht keinen Kühlschrank. Kühlschrank means fridge. Since it is also a masculine noun, therefore we have to add an an at the end of the negative article kein. And if we want to have an adjective also, then sucht keinen guten Kühlschrank. Now gut is an adjective, and since the noun for which we are using this adjective is a masculine noun, therefore we have to add an an, because this table says that we have to add an an at the end of adjective for a masculine noun if the noun is in the accusative case. And similarly we have added an at the end of the negative article kein. Next is wir kaufen keine Blumen. Now it is these two are the examples of plural. Blumen means flowers. We don't buy flowers. If we do not have an adjective, we will simply use the negative article with an additional a at the end of the negative article, like here. But if we want to use some adjective also, then let's see that how we have to use the adjective. Wir kaufen keine schönen Blumen. So here we have used an adjective schön, which means beautiful, and we have added an an at the end of adjective, because for plural noun in accusative case we have to add an an at the end of the adjective, and at the end of negative article we have to add an a. Next, sie lesen keine Zeitungen. They don't read newspapers. Newspaper, Zeitung is German word for newspaper, and Zeitungen means the newspapers. Since newspapers is a plural noun and it is used in the accusative case because they are being read or they are not being read, the ending of negative article kein in case of plural noun for accusative case, and it says, and the rule says that we have to add an a at the end of negative article. Let's see that how we have to use the adjective in this case. For plural noun, sie lesen keine alten Zeitungen. They don't read old newspapers. Now here alt is an adjective which means old, and since Zeitungen is a plural noun which is used in accusative case, we will refer to this section of the table, and it says that we have to add an a at the end of negative article kein, and we have to add an an at the end of the adjective, whatever adjective we use for the plural noun. So this is the first way of making negative sentences in German language with the help of negative article kein, and negative article kein is always used to negate the noun in German language. So whenever we have to negate a noun in German language, with or without adjective, will always use the negative article kein. In next lesson we will go through the second word, which is nicht, and we will see that how and in which situation we have to use this word nicht. And if you haven't subscribed my channel until now, please do it now and gives a thumbs up to the video if you have learned anything new in this video. Thank you.